What is user-generated content (UGC)? User-generated content (UGC) is any content that has been created and published by users of a website, social media platform, or other online community. This can include text, images, videos, and other types of media that users create and share on these platforms. UGC is created by individuals who are not professional content creators and is typically found on social media platforms, blogs, review sites, and other online communities. UGC is often seen as a way for companies and organizations to engage with their audience and build a sense of community around their brand. By encouraging users to create and share content related to their products or services, businesses can gain valuable insights and feedback from their customers. Examples of UGC include reviews and ratings on a product page, social media posts about a brand or product, or user-created videos featuring a company's products. Many businesses also encourage UGC by running contests or promotions that encourage users to create and share content related to their brand. UGC can be a valuable source of information and can help to build trust and credibility for a brand. It can also help to drive engagement and increase the reach of a brand's marketing efforts. However, it is important for companies to carefully monitor and manage UGC to ensure that it aligns with their brand values and messaging, and to protect their brand reputation. There are many different ways that UGC can be used, such as in marketing campaigns, on social media platforms, in online communities, and on company websites. Some businesses and organizations also use UGC as a way to gather feedback and gather insights about their products or services. There are many different types of user-generated content, UGC, and the specific types that are created can depend on the platform or context in which it is being created. Some common types of UGC include social media posts. This includes any content that is posted on social media platforms, such as tweets, Facebook posts, Instagram photos, and more. Blog posts. User-generated blog posts can be found on personal blogs or on blogging platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Comments. Users can leave comments on blog posts, news articles, social media posts, and other online content. Reviews. Users can leave reviews of products, services, or experiences on websites or apps. Images. Users can share images that they have created or found online on social media, blogs, or image-sharing websites like Flickr or Imgur. Videos. Users can create and share videos on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok. Music. Users can create and share music on platforms like SoundCloud and Bandcamp. Wikis. User-generated wikis, like Wikipedia, are collaborative online platforms where users can contribute information and knowledge about a wide range of topics. Online communities. Users can participate in online communities or forums where they can discuss and share information on specific topics or interests. Crowdsourced content. Users can contribute to and collaborate on projects or initiatives that are initiated by companies or organizations. There are many other types of user-generated content as well, and new types are constantly being created as technology and the online landscape evolve. It's important to note that UGC can be both positive and negative, and it's up to the company or organization to monitor and manage it effectively. While UGC can be a valuable source of feedback and engagement, It's also important to be aware of any negative or inappropriate content that may be posted by users.